Benji. Hey? What's she doing? Kisses? Oh, you got me. Hey, what's going on, and welcome back to another video. I'm down here at Woodman Point with family. It was better for the drive here. We're going to chuck Sparky the drone up in the air and catch that sunset. That is one wicked sunset. Well, that's it for this video. If you liked it, then hit that big thumbs up. If you want to leave a comment, then leave it down below. If you want to see more, hit that big subscribe button. Till next time, see you later.